nature of the roots of a quadratic equation. You don't need to literally solve for the roots. You will just use the discriminant from the quadratic formula, which is represented by t, and that is equal to b squared minus 4ac. Now there are three possibilities of the value of your roots. It could be 0, positive, or negative. If it's 0, your roots are real. Also, if your d is positive, it could be a perfect square or it could be not a perfect square. These two are also real. Now, if your d is 0, your roots are also rational. Same thing, if it's a perfect square, your roots are also rational. If it's not a perfect square, your roots are irrational. Okay. Going back, if your discriminant is 0, your roots are equal. If it's a perfect square, they are unequal. And then if they are not a perfect square, they're also unequal. Now let's go to if your roots are negative, meaning your discriminant is negative and your roots are unreal. They could also be called imaginary or complex. At the same time, they are unequal. Okay, so these are the classifications of the nature of your roots. It could be 0, discriminant is 0, perfect square, not a perfect square, and discriminant are negative.